Hello friends, in this lecture we will see adaptive milling, and s- first of all I am going to define this workpiece. So my part is this, and blank I am going to select this part outline. Okay, and my tool is this. With the help of this tool I am going to create this adaptive milling. So click this, and my workpiece is an roughing operation. Okay, step over is 10% and depth of cut is 95%, and I'm using this continuous adaptive pattern, and 10% is the curvature radius. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to discuss about this minimum curvature radius. So at the corner, how it is creating the tool path. So minimum curvature radius is now 5% in our case. So let's see, and here keep it 1, and minimum is 0, and let's generate this. So at the corner, if we will see this is the curvature at the corner, which is 5%. Let's see the 3D verification of this part. Because of roughing operation, this is the result. Now I'm going to change this minimum curvature radius to 25%. Generate it again. Now see, this is 25% of the tool, and again I'm going to change it to 50%. Now see this, see this circle is a little bit bigger because 50% of the tool diameter it will take at the corners. Let's verify it. Some material is still remaining here because of our curvature radius. So this is the adaptive milling, and the option is this minimum curvature radius.